guys, I'm Natalia with Mom's Dish, and today we're gonna be making something awesome. Today we'll be making this amazing fresh salad with avocado, cucumbers, and tomatoes. I am so excited to take you along and show you how to make it. As far as ingredients for this salad, we will need some avocado, red onion. An English cucumber is so perfect for this salad because it doesn't have that rough skin or like those giant seeds inside. So get an English cucumber, some tomatoes, radishes, and for the dressing we'll need, it's super simple. Salt and pepper and some olive oil, lemon juice, and we'll sprinkle it with some Italian parsley. And that's all. First step I'll do is create the salad dressing and just set it aside. So what we're gonna do is cut up a lemon into half and just get the juices out of the lemon. And I use a lime squeezer. It's not gonna fit in here, so let's cut it again. So we got all the juice out of the one lemon. It was about medium size. Then we're gonna pour in oil in here and season it with salt and pepper. The next step would be is to cut up all the vegetables into half-size rings. So let's start with the cucumber. I'll do half of it and then the other half in a little bit. So just like this. And here's a tip. When you're cutting up all the vegetables, put them on a plate separately and only mix them up when you're serving it. That way it stays fresh for a little while, unless you're serving it right away. So. Now tomatoes into half-size rings as well. The king of the whole salad, or the queen. Is avocado a queen or a king, huh? I like to use a purple onion, or people call it also red onion in this recipe. You can also use yellow onions or green onions, that works as well too. I just love the flavor of this onion and it adds such a nice color as well. We are almost done. I have all the vegetables here and I layered it in layers, that way I can just beautifully drizzle it and then toss it together. So let's do this. The dressing. Just evenly, we'll still mix this up together so it doesn't really matter. Sprinkle some parsley on top, and I chop this roughly. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just a little chop on top, and that's all. And now you know it's the best part, and it's all mine. Tim's not here, boys are not here, this is all mine. Good thing it's a salad, right? So I'm gonna toss everything together, give it a nice stir. I don't wanna mix it up because it's so beautiful, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So give it a nice stir. You don't want to mix it up too harsh because that would make avocado really mushy, if that's a word. We're all set. I'm gonna fill my bowl with some of it, or a plate. I have a small plate. I hope you guys like this video as much as we're gonna enjoy this salad. Let us know in comments what you think and come back next week because we're coming back with more recipes.